I want to make some jollof rice. So in the blender I've got mixture of scotch bonnet, tomatoes, onions and bell pepper. You can combine them the way you want. So I'm going to blend together now. So the mixture is blended together. Just look at this rich red color. So I'm going to start cooking now. So in a pot I have my oil, which I'm going to use to fry the onions, tomatoes, scotch bonnet and bell pepper mixture. So I'm waiting for the oil to get hot, then I'll pour the mixture inside. So I'm going to put the pepper mixture now. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to add seasoning now. Now I'm going to add some Maggi cubes. Yeah, those are my Maggi cubes. Those are my Maggi cubes. And then I'm going to put some thyme. That's the thyme. And I'll leave it to cook now. I'll cover the pot and leave it to cook. So while the mixture is getting thickened, I'm frying some chicken to accompany the jollof rice. So I'm going to add the chicken broth now. That's the chicken broth. So I'll allow that to boil together with the mixture for about 10 minutes. So my fried chicken is ready. So now I'm going to add my parboiled rice to the pepper mixture now. So I'm going to add my parboiled rice to the pepper mixture. So I use basmati rice. So that's all the parboiled rice and the pepper mixture. So I'm going to allow it to cook now. Hi guys, so jollof rice is ready. I'm ready to munch now with my chicken. Having some. Yes, looks so yummy. Alright guys, so I'm having my jollof rice with my chicken. Alright guys, enjoy.